Hey guys, so today I've got a new tool for you electricians out there. I'm sure many of you have used caddies, bang-on caddies. These caddies right here, they just bang on to a bar joist or a thin piece of steel, and those little sharp tabs holds it on there. And then this is a conduit clip. So we normally call them caddy clips or bang-ons. But here's a tool made specifically for putting these on, and I've been using this morning, and I'm here to tell you that this thing is absolutely awesome. It makes this job so much easier. So you just put your bang-on in there like that. There's a little magnet right there to hold it in there, and this will do bang-ons of all different sizes. You will have to turn this conduit hanger so that it's sideways, so it'll seat on here real good. And then all you've got to do is put it on there like that and smack this in with a hammer, and that is literally it. You have put your caddy on. I cannot tell you how many times I have beat my hand with a hammer or a pair of channel locks or a pair of linemans trying to put these dadburn things on there, and all along they made a tool to do it, and now I don't have to fight with it anymore. If y'all want to know where to get this, there'll be a link in the description, and I also have a promo code specifically for our brand. So thank y'all for watching, and have a great day.